Good afternoon. This is Alvin Bailey, and we're going to have another one of my money talks. Today I want to talk about the numbers that you need that are essential to understanding your personal finance picture. The first thing you're going to need to know is what your take-home pay is. What's your net income? And this would seem obvious enough. You look at your paycheck and see the dollar amounts that are on it. But how often are you getting paid? Are you getting paid once a month or 12 times a year? Are you getting paid twice a month, 24 times? Or are you getting paid 26 times? And that will tell you how many dollars you'll actually have to put to work on achieving your financial dreams and goals. So know what your net income is. What are you bringing home? The next thing is you need to know what your market salary is. You've chosen a career. You've got a job. You need to know how much that job pays in a normal environment, and are you being fairly compensated? The other thing is, how much does this job potentially pay, or this career? How much can I make? So that you know how far you can get in your career and how much money can you be making to help you someday achieve financial independence. Third thing, emergency fund balance. An emergency fund is 3 to 6 months of living expenses. And when you first get started in life, you're not going to have a fully funded emergency fund. But you should know how much that number needs to be and how much you have in it right now. Next thing is, how much debt do you have and what is the cost of that debt? I'm thinking here credit card balances and the interest rate on the credit cards. Maybe you've bought a sofa at the furniture store, and how much do you owe on that, and how much are they charging you in interest? Student loans, car payments. All this debt is stuff that's going to have to get paid back. So knowing how much you owe and how much it's costing you to carry that debt is instrumental in figuring out how to move closer to financial independence. If you have a home, what is your home equity? How much of it do you own and how much of it is owned by the bank? Every month when you send in a payment, you chisel off a little bit of equity and probably pay a whole lot in interest. But over time, that home will become more and more valuable as you accumulate more equity. Sixth, investment balances. If you have 401ks or a pension plan or an IRA, how much are those worth? That again will help you figure out how soon you're going to be financially independent. And finally, with all those numbers, you'll be able to get to net worth. My assets minus my liabilities brings me to my net worth. And the net worth is the number you'll use to figure out if you can afford to take a different job, if you can afford to take the expensive vacation, or finally, if you'll reach a point of financial independence and I don't have to go to work anymore because I've become famous and rich and wealthy. So with these 7 numbers, you can have a good conversation with any kind of a financial coach or financial planner to help you plan to achieve all of your goals in life. This is Alvin Bailey. Thank you for listening.